Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. So now after the fundamental analysis, I want to talk about the technical analysis. So we're going into market analysis in Trading Central. I have already searched EURUSD pair. We can see the Trading Central's opinion. They're saying intraday under pressure, the short positions below 1.2185, which is the pivot point, with targets at first profit 1.2145 and 1.2130 as a second profit. Now let's have a look of the chart. So we can see the current price is below the 20 days and 50 days moving average, and also at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. At the RSI indicator, we can see it's a downtrend and it's below 50. So all of that combined, it's a obvious downtrend. And make sure that you pay attention to this is a 30-minute chart, different than the usual daily chart. Below, it's a series of supports and resistance. And if you would like to know more about the fundamental analysis, make sure to check out the other video today where I explain more about how the data release might possibly affect the market today. Hope you like this video and hope you have a happy trading day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.